Hello, so now we're going to talk about some pros and cons to drinking alcohol. And so, for those wishing to improve their healthy living, you should definitely control the amount and frequency of your consumption of alcohol. And so, there are risks and benefits to alcohol consumption, and it can definitely vary from person to person and your unique situation as well. And so definitely consider, factors like age, gender, overall health, and your family history when you're also considering the below items. And so when it comes to the benefits to drinking alcohol, um, things get a little interesting. So, when it comes to alcohol consumption in general, it definitely has a negative health effect, but moderate consumption of certain types of alcohol can have some benefits. And these benefits include number one, red and white wine has antioxidants. It reduces inflammation, it protects against cardiovascular disease, and it also has some cancer anti-cancer polyphenols. So while red wine is known to have more polyphenols, white wine also has polyphenols as well. And so the polyphenols in white wine are called catechins, epicatechins, quercetin, and resveratrol. So wine, it does also aid in weight loss. It reduces risk of heart disease and stroke, and that is due to its blood thinning and other properties. So it also aids in relaxing and reduces stress and can help you in social interactions, they say. So wine does have multiple benefits. And with regards to beer, beer contains silicone compounds that help promote bone health and prevent osteoporosis. Osteoporosis. And some studies suggest that moderate consumption of spirits like whiskey, gin, or tequila may have anti inflammatory effects or fever reducing effects. And so, alcohol can be used also for sterilization of wounds or sanitizing areas, and a lot of different, for example, sanitizing substances for COVID-19 included alcohol based products. And so, the best way to maintain good health is to drink alcohol in moderation or avoid it altogether. But if you do drink alcohol, definitely try to ensure that the alcohols that you're drinking are, including some benefits, some health benefits, for example, wine or beer or spirits like whiskey, gin, or tequila. And so, when it comes to the cons of drinking alcohol, we hear these all the time, but you'll notice some of them may provide a little bit of interesting insight. So, for example, there are risks and benefits to drinking alcohol, but it varies from person to person, and it definitely varies on a variety of factors, as I noted: age, gender, overall health, and family history. And so, your entire body can be affected by excessive drinking of alcohol. Your brain can be affected through memory loss, mood swings, dementia. Your lungs can be affected by difficulties breathing, lower levels of nitric oxide. Your liver can be impacted. You can impact your heart health and cause irregularities in your heart rate, strokes, high blood pressure. You can foster weakness in your muscles, or impact your stomach through ulcers or chronic issues or vomiting. And so there's a lot of bodily impacts that can occur with alcohol excessive drinking. So, first and foremost, we do have that alcohol is, addictive, and it can lead to dependence and abuse. Um, Heavy and prolonged alcohol consumption can also cause liver disease, heart disease, cancer, high blood pressure, and other health problems. With regards to binge drinking, it's when an individual has four or more alcoholic beverages and per occasion. And so um, they do say that, 1 in 6 people binge drink, and it's just not very good for you. Number three, as a con, alcohol can impair your judgment, lead to poor decision making, and be dangerous. You can have dangerous behaviors such as drunk driving. And so, number four, we have alcohol negatively interacts with different medications, and it reduces their effectiveness or causes harmful side effects. And number five, alcohol abuse can lead to financial problems due to job loss, increased healthcare costs, decreased quality of life for your individual or also for your family. It increases unnecessary expenses. It decreases your overall productivity, and it can cause a difficulty performing work without impairments. And so they say that the annual cost of alcohol use is, over $250 billion. And just overall as society, we're just extensively impacted financially through, alcohol consumption. And so con number six is alcohol increases your risk of injury or violence within your life. And number seven, alcohol increases police arrests. Number eight, it does lead to premature death and disabilities among people aged 15 to 49 years old. So, in summary, alcohol is the leading cause of death worldwide, according to the World Health Organization, and alcohol causes deaths from drunk driving, suicide, and 200 plus different diseases and injuries that include liver disease, cancer, strokes, mental health disorders, or other issues. So, excessive drinking should be avoided due to impacts to health. If you do choose to drink, make sure you're choosing, certain drinks that at least have some health benefit. And then, be sure to drink in moderation. Avoid it altogether or consume only certain beverages at certain times of, per week. And, overall, definitely consult with a physician for their expert opinion, because I am not an expert in alcohol and I don't actually consume that much alcohol other than, the occasional social situation. For alcohol, be sure to be aware of the different pros and cons, and, choose carefully and take your actions based on your situation and what's best for you. And so, to live a healthier life, you'll definitely want to be strategic and, avoid and drink in moderation. So that's all for now. Thank you and have a great day.